Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete recently watched videos on Facebook. To get started, you want to go ahead and log into your Facebook account. Alright, so once you're logged in, you want to click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner here. You want to scroll down until you can see settings and privacy. You want to click on that. You want to click on settings. You want to scroll down until you can see activity log under your information. You want to click on that. So once you're here, you want to scroll down until you can see view connections. You want to see you're going to see logged actions and other activities. So your devices, logins, videos you've watched and more. Okay. And you want to click on the drop down here. You want to scroll down, yes, until you can see videos you've watched. You want to go ahead and click on that. Alright, so you can see these are videos I have actually watched on this phone. As you can see, I actually watched this one yesterday. So to delete them, what you want to do is to click here and delete them one after the other. Okay, this one right here, and once you've deleted this video, you're gonna find it in your trash. So you can just go ahead and click this button and it's gonna ask you, are you sure? Only you can see your video watch history. Once you click on clear, you'll be able to clear all videos on your watch history on your Facebook account. Okay, however, with this one button right here, you can actually clear everything here. You don't have that deleting them one after the other. You just click on clear video watch history and you can go ahead and clear. So are you sure? Yes, I am sure. And you can go ahead and click on clear. Facebook is going to take some time to clear your watch history. Guys, this is how to delete Facebook watched video history. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.